Working from home was supposed to be a dream. No commute, no open plan office noise, just you, your work, and total focus. But if your home office feels more like a pain in the neck, literally, you're not alone. Millions of remote workers deal with back pain, poor concentration, and decision fatigue every single day, not because they're lazy, but because their workspace is working against them. And when you go looking for help online, you're hit with a wall of conflicting reviews, sponsored posts, and products that sound great until they arrive at your door. That's exactly why DeskRidge exists. DeskRidge is your shortcut to the perfect home office, a trusted resource built by someone obsessed with ergonomic workspaces who does the research so you don't have to. No fluff, no guesswork, just clear, honest guidance and the best product picks all in one place. First, your chair. It's the single biggest factor in your comfort and long-term health. DeskRidge breaks down the best ergonomic chairs on the market, from budget-friendly picks under $500 to premium options like the Herman Miller Embody. Side-by-side comparisons, honest pros and cons, and a clear recommendation for every budget. Next, your desk. Sitting all day isn't the answer, but neither is standing. DeskRidge covers the best adjustable standing desks, including top-rated options under $500, so you can move through your day without sacrificing your budget. Then there's everything else, the accessories that separate a good setup from a great one, the right desk clamp, a monitor arm that frees up space and saves your neck, cable management that actually works. DeskRidge covers it all, with curated picks and guides to help you put it together without the overwhelm. And if you're starting from scratch or just want a complete upgrade, DeskRidge's full home office setup guides walk you through every decision step by step, whether you're working with a spare corner or a dedicated room, and whether your budget is tight or flexible, there's a guide made for you. Here's what makes DeskRidge different. Every recommendation is based on real, hands-on research and testing, not sponsored placements. The affiliate disclosure is right there on the site, fully transparent, and the guides are updated regularly, so you're always getting current information, not advice from 3 years ago. Your workspace shapes how you think, how you feel, and how much you get done every day. You deserve one that actually works for you. Head over to DeskRidge.com, start with the Start Here guide, and begin building your best home office today. Subscribe to the newsletter for the latest reviews and tips. Your dream setup is closer than you think.